हाय गाइस, वेलकम बैक टू द चैनल। आज मेरे साथ एक टॉपर है एंड ही इज फ्रॉम SIBM पुणे और भाई ये इंजीनियरिंग का टॉपर है ना। मैं तो मतलब आई वाज रियली सरप्राइज्ड। गॉट अ ग्रेट प्रोफाइल, ही इज अ फ्रेशर, ही इज फ्रॉम कोलकाता एंड कैट फाड़ा है इसने। NMIMS मुंबई इसका कन्वर्ट था। एनमेट में कितना 264।
Yes.
एंड बाय द वे इसका एक FMCG बहुत बड़ा नाम है, वो नाम डिस्क्लोज नहीं कर सकती इनके प्रोटोकॉल से। ही इज बीन प्लेस्ड वहां पे। स्टाइपेंड भी काफी अच्छी खासी लगी है। SIBM पुणे की जो एवरेज है उसके ऊपर ही है मेरे ख्याल से। हाउ डज इट फील यार, मतलब वहां से टॉपर ऑपर करके सब यहाँ पे SIBM पुणे, क्या स्टोरी बताना थोड़ा अपना।
So currently it feels really good. Being a fresher, I got to learn a lot.
Yeah, because you've done
from
a
my
great
seniors.
job. मतलब जो पैकेज वर्कएक्स वालों को नहीं मिलता है, एज अ फ्रेशर तूने वो फाड़ा है। So it's great. How old are you by the way?
So I'm 22.
22 यार, so young. Go ahead, go ahead.
I always wanted to do an MBA right from my second or third year.
Of engineering.
Of engineering, but I made sure
nice.
that my engineering learning doesn't go for a waste. I made sure that my acads are looked after properly, and that helped me during my placements as well during
True.
engineering. And coming from a
Say that again. Academics help करता है कि नहीं करता है MBA में?
academics really helps a lot because your engineering basically prepares you for your MBA journey as well.
Right,
And being from an IT background, technology is needed everywhere nowadays. So you definitely get that benefit and you get used to that rigor during engineering.
So like every coin has two sides, right guys? So academics अगर आपका हो तगड़ा, तो मैंने देखा है mostly people, you know, with a great academic record, they tend to get top 5% academically in the B school. Most of them are like gold medalists or something like that. तो वो एक होता है। दूसरा, कंपनी कुछ होती है, वो कहती है अगर आपका एकेडमिक्स तगड़ा है तो हम आपको उठा लेंगे, बट ऐसा नहीं है। एकेडमिक्स जिनका अच्छा नहीं होता है उनको भी यार बड़ी बड़ी पैकेजेस मिलती है, बट ठीक है, ये एकेडमिकली साउंड है तो हमने इसका जिक्र किया। सो यू लेफ्ट NMIMS मुंबई फॉर SIBM पुणे फॉर सेल्स एंड मार्केटिंग। Would love to know this, the reasoning, the research and everything.
So basically, I was in kind of a conundrum to choose between these two colleges. My father comes from a sales and marketing background.
I see.
And what he mentioned was you need proper financial knowledge to excel in management.
True.
So during that period, I talked to a lot of my seniors, alums as well. And to be honest, I needed that kind of work and life balance over here. And that SIBM Pune provided. At the same time, it is a student-driven culture. So being a fresher, I needed to learn more. I needed the exposure. Where I learned from my seniors. I always believed in the holistic learning, where you do sports, where you participate in different case comps, do several other things. At the same time, you study. So SIBM Pune gave me that entire package.
Now here you can consider one thing. देखो, he is a fresher, but he's academically very sound. But still, being a fresher and an engineer and has no connection with sales and marketing whatsoever, he still got into one of the big giants in FMCG. Now, why did that happen? That happened because of the brand. So that's the power of brand. So अगर आपका प्रोफाइल ठीक ठाक है, अगर आपने लाइफ में फाइनेंस करा भी नहीं है, सेल्स और मार्केटिंग करा भी नहीं है, फिर भी आपको बड़ी बड़ी कंपनीज उठा सकती है if you are in college like SIBM Pune of the world. So I hope you agree on that front.
So definitely there is a brand pull. At the
Yes.
same time, I do want to mention the support given to us by our faculties as well as our seniors. Because that I cannot explain. Once I came over here, the support was visible right from the first day. The seniors were like, yeah, you have to crack this. You have to be the best in India. And
True,
there's
true,
no
true.
second chance. So that pressure was always there. And the peer group you get, you get that holistic learning. You get that push. Day in and day out, when you see people excelling in their own fields, excelling and doing their best,
Right.
striving, you definitely gel with them. Try to be your best.
So I think that's where so sales and marketing के बारे में जब हम बात करते हैं, the kind of roles and the profiles offered on SIBM Pune campus are at par with SB Jains, IFTs, MDIs, even for that matter Koi Code, Lucknow, Indore and XLRs of the world, honestly, because of an amazing and a great alumni pool. मतलब you name a company from FMCG background, आपको दिखेगा SIBM पुणे का वहाँ पे कोई ना कोई तो बैठा है at a very top level. So I think that has been helping these kids on the campus, by the way. Awesome. Again, I don't want you to tell me the specific number of your snap percentile because against protocol, by the way. I want to tell the range. Are you above 98, above 99? What is it?
So I'm between 98 and 99.
Fantastic. There is another example right after Atharva कि 98, 99 के जो बीच में जो बच्चे हैं वो भी SIBM पुणे फोड़ते हैं, because there is a myth कि तुमको 99 ही लाना है वगैरह वगैरह. Fine. Okay, cool. Now, would love to understand how is sales and marketing in SIBM Pune with respect to the faculties and the curriculum.
So as I told you, SIBM Pune is known for the holistic learning. It's not only about the faculties; they are obviously excellent. You also get support from the councils we have over here, from the SIGs over here, as well as the seniors who are constantly motivating you teaching you and giving you important resources, they're always open to us. During SIRPs, literally the support we got from our seniors as well as the councils and SIGs, which are the different marketing and finance wala groups.
So there are different groups of marketing.
Exactly. Those are phenomenal. They literally helped us learn entire thing about marketing and sales in just 2 months, and that was.
So again, जितने भी बच्चे सुन रहे हैं ना, एक चीज याद रखना, जो टियर 1 वाले कॉलेजेस होते हैं ना, फिर आप IIMS के बारे में बात करो, ब्लैकी के बारे में बात करो, SIBM पुणे के बारे में बात करो, सीनियर्स विल पुल यू अप. दे विल मेक इट अ पॉइंट दैट कि तेरा प्लेसमेंट हो ही जाए, एंड दे विल ट्रेन यू. मतलब 2 घंटा पहले तेरे साथ बैठ के तुझे पूरा FAQs पढ़ा देंगे, तुझे बता देंगे तुझे ये बात करना है. सो वो सपोर्ट बहुत ज्यादा मैटर करता है, which I believe is not happening in lot of colleges जो SIBM पुणे में है, and I'm glad to know that actually. Fair enough. Now, final question to you. Snap is down the corner.
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, you guys have done fantastic in Snap. I want you to give them couple of tips and tricks for the last 15 days, 20 odd days, whatever it is.
So I'll give 2 tips. One for the freshers, one for the experienced ones out there.
Nice.
I was a fresher. I never felt that pressure, but the pressure was there. It's not visible from the outside, but that was definitely there. What I would suggest is just be yourself, just be your best. Know that life will give you a second chance, but make sure you make it count. And for the experienced ones, see, it's just an opportunity for you. Just be free, just try your best, and luck will definitely support you. And give your best shot.
Okay. Final question. Do you think Snap is easy or it needs that rigorous study?
So Snap is definitely not an easy examination. As last year the question paper was really difficult, and but the best part about Snap is basically it's a student-friendly examination.
Right, it's a student-friendly
It's a very
examination.
student-friendly examination.
Right, 1 घंटे में concentration लग जाता है, ज़्यादा pressure नहीं आता.
Since you can navigate between sections, you can choose the good questions, the strength questions, and once you answer them, there's a flow.
Okay.
Once you are in that flow, you will definitely crack it. And make sure that it doesn't stop with Snap. You have to continue that momentum into the GEPI as well, because that is also crucial for getting into SIBM Pune.
Cool है, शुद्धो, thank you so very much for giving some time. And fresher है यार, topper है, and फाड़ा है life में. Guys, do hit the like button, do subscribe to the channel.